Hi, I'm Edie from Embroidery by Edith Ann. I'm going to show you today a wristlet bag with a credit card wallet that gets enclosed into the bag in the process of doing the in the hoop design. I want to show you the pieces that you will need to cut and have ready. I find that it's much easier if you figure out what colors you're going to use, what prints and solids you're going to put together, and get those all cut out. And then the project just goes really quickly. With this project, there's 3 hoopings. The first hooping is because there's going to be a freestanding flower on the front of the bag. Then you have to make the little flowers, a teeny little flower that you can do in a 4x4 hoop. And you want to do that on wash away stabilizer, and you'll make that first because you'll need that for hooping 3. Then hooping 2 is going to be the credit card wallet, and with that you're going to have 2 pieces that you cut. You're going to have the one piece, and the sizes are right there in your written tutorial, but you have this one rectangular piece, more like almost like a square, and then you have this really long piece, and I have interfaced that with that Craft Fuse Pelon 808 that I like so much. And you just want to be careful because this is all going to get turned twice. The first turn goes through the opening that is left at the bottom, and the second turn goes through the zipper, and it's that small opening at the bottom that is the harder one to turn. So if you put too heavy of a stabilizer on the back of this, you might have a little bit of trouble turning that. There won't be any trouble turning it through the zipper. That's pretty easy. So you'll have this really long piece and put some stabilizer on the back of it. Like I said, this is Craft Fuse Pelon 808. Then after you want to do that before you get to hooping 3 because you're going to attach that during hooping 3. So now for hooping 3, that is the actual bag, and the front of it, you're going to have 3 pieces that you cut because you're going to be putting panels on. And it's like this one, only one of the panels goes up here, and then there's 2 panels that connect down here, and there is some wording, and then there is the sunflower with where you put the freestanding petals on top of that. And then you need a zipper at least 10 inches. You will be cutting off the excess. That is all explained in the written tutorial and the video. And then on the back, now these three pieces here are going to be going, let me show you here. One of them is going to go, the smaller one is going to go up here at the top, and then you're going to have this one and a bottom panel, and that's going to be the same equivalent size as this right here. Then you're going to put your zipper on. Well, I shouldn't say then you're going to put your zipper on. What you're going to do is the zipper actually goes on right after the batting. And because this one, let me point this out, this one has a motif. This has been on our shop for quite a while. This one has a motif that goes on top, and the zipper actually goes on top after you get the quilting and everything done. The zipper goes on top, and then the motif, whereas this one that we're doing right now, the zipper goes on the batting, and then the fabric starts getting layered on. And then you want 2 pieces that are cut and folded. This is called, in the instructions, it's called the lining of the zipper section. And what that is going to be the back side of this, of the zipper. See, this is the zipper. And then in here, you've got a lining that goes on top of that, just right on the very bottom of it. And that's what these folded pieces are for. And then you have, let's see, you're going to have a piece that goes, you're going to have the pocket. In the pocket I put a little bit lighter weight stabilizer. This one I use the SF101, I believe is what this one's called. Let me double check that. SF101 is Pelon. And I put that so it's a little more, it's not quite stiff like the Craft Fuse is. And you fold that, that's going to be the inner pocket, which is, you can see it better on this one. The inner pocket is this piece right here, just divides the 2 sections. And your credit card wallet is going to be back here. And you put, like I said, you put that on during the stitch out in the hoop. And then you're going to have the back, which is, I chose to use the back to coordinate with the center panel that's going to be on the front, and then also the pocket. Because this is a lightweight fabric, I've interfaced all these lightweight pieces with just regular interfacing, just a lightweight interfacing. But the ones that I've mentioned to you, those are the ones that I've put a heavier interfacing on, or a different type of interfacing. So this will conclude the introduction, and there will be following videos that will take you step by step through the credit card, making the credit card pockets, and which is very easy. I mean, it looks daunting, but it's actually very easy. And then also the videos will take you through hooping 3, the process of doing it all, and then putting the sandwich together, getting all the pieces sandwiched together and stitched around. Now this one has a wristlet. I'm going to put a wristlet on this one. I want to be careful when you put that wristlet on that you don't make it too heavy, because of the turning, the ability to be able to turn. And I think that's pretty much it for right now, so I will see you in the following videos.